Lama Tsongkhapa was born in 14th century Tibet and is known to be the manifestation of Kuan Yin, Manjushri, and Vajrapani. Long before he was born, he was prophesied by Buddha Shakyamuni to appear in the land of snows, Tibet, and become the second Buddha after Shakyamuni. Lama Tsongkhapa became famous in Tibet, northern India, Mongolia, Kalmykia, and northern China. Lama Tsongkhapa is propitiated to alleviate depression, increase wisdom, memory, intelligence, and to bring peace, harmony, and good livelihood. Discover the special practice of Lama Tsongkhapa through these amazing books and discover the blessings of Lama Tsongkhapa in your daily lives. Tsongkhapa, a visual journey. The Illustrated Life of Lama Tsongkhapa, a graphic novel. Tsongkhapa box set, a complete guide to your daily practice. Tsongkhapa, a simple guide to a powerful practice. Kechara books are available at Kechara outlets in Malaysia and online at vajrasecrets.com.